Hey there, fellow drivers. Have you ever found yourself in that heart-pounding moment when you come back to your parked car only to discover it's been hit and the culprit is nowhere in sight? It's frustrating, isn't it? But fear not, because today we've got your back. In this video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of hit-and-run accidents and how you can navigate the insurance maze to get the compensation you deserve. So, if you're ready to learn the ins and outs of getting an insurance claim for a hit and run in the United States, stick around. Step 1. Assess the situation. Alright, let's set the stage. You've just discovered that your car has been sideswiped, rear-ended, or bumped into while you were grabbing groceries or catching a movie. Take a deep breath. Your first priority is safety. Make sure everyone's okay, and if there are injuries, call 911 immediately. Step 2. Call the police. Now, assuming everyone's safe and sound, it's time to get the authorities involved. Dial up the local police and file an accident report within 24 hours. This report is essential for the claims process and helps law enforcement track down the mysterious hit-and-run artist. Remember, the more details you can recall, license plate, make, or model, the better the chances of finding the perpetrator. Step 3. Talk to witnesses. Did anyone around witness the hit and run? Check for nearby cameras and speak to anyone who might have seen what happened. These eyewitness accounts can be golden in providing evidence, especially if your car was parked in unattended when the accident occurred. Step 4. Document the damage. Now, take out that smartphone and start snapping pics. Document the damage to your car from different angles. Every dent, scratch, and scuff matters. These photos will come in handy when it's time to file a claim and assess the extent of the damage. Step 5. Notify your insurance company. Okay, this is where your car insurance superhero cape comes in. Reach out to your insurance company ASAP to report the hit-and-run incident. Share all the information you've gathered, from the accident report to witness accounts and those precious damage photos. Your insurer will guide you through the claims process. Step 6. Review your coverage. Now, let's talk coverage. Depending on your policy and where you live, different insurance coverages can help you in this situation. Buckle up, here's a quick rundown. Collision coverage. This optional coverage can help repair or replace your car, minus your deductible, if you were hit by another vehicle or a stationary object, even in a hit and run. UMPD, uninsured motorist property damage, coverage. If you don't have collision coverage, UMPD can be your savior. It covers damages caused by an uninsured driver, including hit and runs. Keep in mind, there's typically a deductible. UMBI, uninsured motorist bodily injury, coverage. This one's for injuries. If you're injured in a hit and run and the responsible party is nowhere to be found, UMBI can help cover your medical expenses. MedPay and PIP, depending on your state, these coverages can help with medical bills, regardless of fault. They might cover things like medical expenses, rehabilitation, and even income continuation. Step 7. Filing the claim. If injuries are involved, consider filing a UMBI, MedPay, or PIP claim for medical expenses. These usually don't have deductibles. For your car's damage, if you have collision coverage, you'll have to pay your deductible before the insurance kicks in. If UMPD is available in your state, there might be a deductible for that too. Step 8. Stay updated and cooperate. Throughout the claims process, stay in touch with your insurance company. They'll guide you on what's needed, who to talk to, and what steps to take next. Remember, your cooperation is key to making the process smooth. Step 9. Investigating and resolution. Your insurer will investigate the incident and assess the damage. They might need additional information or documentation. Once they have everything they need, they'll determine how much they'll cover and work on resolving your claim. Step 10. Possible premium impact. Now, here's the catch. Filing a claim, even for a hit and run, can sometimes affect your insurance premium. It varies depending on your insurer and your state. Sometimes, if you weren't at fault, your premium might not increase. But be prepared for the possibility of a slight hike in your premium. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to navigate the world of insurance claims after a hit-and-run incident. Remember, the key is to stay calm, gather as much information as possible, and rely on your insurance policy to come to the rescue. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.